This is the ALOANES black waterproof desk mat. It's a gigantic mouse pad, specifically designed to protect your desk from spills and all kinds of other stuff. And this is how it arrives, rolled up safely like this, tie on there, and it just rolls out. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. If you can see that I use a large farmhouse kitchen table as a desk, and boy, that thing really fits on there perfect. The surface of this mat right here is waterproof. Doesn't matter what you dump on here, it's waterproof. You can actually put this under the faucet and it should be fine. It's nice. The stitching on here is fantastic. Looks really good, really well made. On the back here, really nice textured surface. It is non-slip, kind of a rubbery, spongy feel to it. So the mat isn't gonna move around on me, which I really like. This thing comes in several different colors. Obviously, I've got the black one here, and this is the 35-inch mat, 35 by 15. It just fits perfectly on my desk right here. I mean, unless I wanted to go the whole length, which I don't. Works great as a mouse pad. It's nice, it's decorative, it's non-slip, it's waterproof, in case I spill this orange juice on here, which I'm not gonna do. Looks great, feels great, and actually makes my desk look better. I really like this. This is the ALOANES black waterproof desk mat. Pretty awesome.